Hello, my name is Katie Brindle, founder of the Hayo'u method, and in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you the wonders of body brushing. Follow the whole video because body brushing does more for your body than you might already think you know. So let me explain everything in full. Just as a little side note to the actual technique that I'm teaching you today, I just wanted to talk to you about the actual brush itself. It took me a long time to settle on the exact brush that I wanted to bring into the range. And the reason I love this brush so much is that I'm working very closely with a Swedish brush expert who works with visually compromised artisans who make this brush and all of these brushes as part of their daily life. And the finished technique is astonishing. They are built to last. Okay, so if you look after these brushes, they will last you for years and years and years. They are also the perfect texture, not too hard, not too soft. You don't want to scratch the skin, but you also, when you're body brushing, you want to caress the skin, which means that the brush needs to be the exact correct brushiness in order for that caress to take place, because otherwise it will feel too hard and too astringent. Then it will become just a little bit draconian, and it's just another stressful thing that we're adding to our body. So these body brushes are really, really nice and soft and unctuous, and they feel like a lover's caress, which is why I like them so much. The first thing about body brushing that most people already know is that it's very, very good for lymph. Okay, it's really good for clearing the lymphatic system through the body. But the technique that I'm going to show you takes it deeper, because something that we understand in Chinese medicine is that all of the physical body follows the energy body. So if you follow the energy contours first, the physical body will naturally clean itself out. We will nonetheless end at the key lymph nodes, but the technique is ever so slightly different. Now, so the first thing you want to do is take your brush. I like to brush on dry skin, especially with the soft body brush. But if you are using the wet body brush, which looks exactly the same, but the bristles are harder, then you can do that in the shower with water running at the same time, and you'll get the same effects. It's just quicker because you can just do it in the shower at the same time. Now, you take the brush. First, you start at the heart and you go down the inside of the arms and up the outside of the arms, ending at the waist like so. Now, there are two different techniques I want to teach you. This one, which is the stroke, and then this one, which is the spiral. You do exactly the same thing, but instead of stroking, you're spiraling. Now, why? Because what we're doing here is mirroring the way that energy flows. Energy doesn't flow in a straight line. Energy flows in a spiral. So by working with both the blood and the lymphatic flow and also the energy flow, you're getting more benefits from your body brush than by simply just going down the contours of the body. So we're going to go down. Now, I like to bring my arm behind my head and really work into the side areas of the body, but also, assuming you're clean, you want to work into the armpit area as well and down the side of the body, ending down here. Then, once you've done the top part of the body, you go to the stomach and we go in a clockwise direction, like so. You can also go in a straight line like so, so that you're working both with energy and with energy flow. And then you can do this rather nice little technique where you're just brushing outwards from the belly button like a little compass point, both in straight lines and in energy flows. And let me know in the comments below which one of these techniques you like the feel of, because your body will tell you what it's enjoying, because it will start to give you pleasure signals. Then you go to the bottom, and then you can go down the sides and the outsides of the legs like so, both in straight lines and also in spirals. So down the outside of the legs you go, so down the backs and down the sides, both with spirals and both in straight lines, and then you do up the inside of the legs in the same way, so both in straight lines. You can go long sweeps, you can go little sweeps, just let your body tell you what it's enjoying, okay, and then again, spiraling up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to end up in the inguinal area, so the inguinal area here and here, both in spirals and in strokes. And then we can just end the whole routine by just drawing the body back up to the heart, like so, and ending in the top of just at the bottom of the throat, just here. It is one of the most pleasurable techniques that I can teach you. It's also fantastic for natural skin exfoliation. It's also a fantastic technique for tightening and toning the skin, for reducing the appearance of cellulite, for alleviating the body of water retention, and for generally boosting your circulation and giving you a really lovely gentle flush of feel-good endorphins. So let me know in the comments below what you think of body brushing, and if you like my slightly tweaked body brushing routine.